Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. This is a new release by Raquel Welch. This is called Straight Chic, and the color is Golden Russet. Now I have had another Straight Chic, which is beautiful. So let's try this Golden Russet. Now, it comes in a beautiful box like this, all packed. Super cute. All right, like I do, let's start on the inside. So this is a basic cap, and there's a little bit of lace here in the front and here in the back. Let's see, we'll turn her over. Shake, give her a nice shake because they tend to shed a little bit. I've got adjuster tabs here in the back. So let's go ahead and put her on. So this is very close to the color of my own hair. Oh, I love, love, love. So this is super short, super pixie. Show you the hairline. This might be cute, kind of up off the forehead, right? And I'm just finger arranging this, just like this. Oh, super cute. Just like that, or we could put her down like this, comb her down a little bit. Now let me show you the back. Let's kind of mess this up. All right, look at the back. What do you think? Super cute. Now I don't usually wear my hair this short right here, but it is super cute there. I'd probably bring her down a little bit. So this is Straight Chic, and the color is Golden Russet, or the color numbers are 29/25 in case you're looking at numbers. Super cute, super comfortable. Again, this is a pixie wig. She's not going anywhere. Great for me. I'd probably wear her for a workout or for kind of a, maybe with an elegant top, long earrings. What do you think? Let me know. I always love your thoughts. Raquel Welch, Straight Chic, Golden Russet. Cheers.